And it has now been more than 24 hours since the former 911 director was indicted on multiple felony charges. Today, Tyrell Morris turned himself in and was quickly released, but managed to evade the camera crews camped out the front door. WDSU reporter Jonah Gilmore is live. And Jonah, we just heard from the mayor's office more than 24 hours after these charges.
Yeah, we've talked to multiple people who say Morris's exit is not a common practice, they say, but a spokesperson with the Orleans Parish Sheriff's Office say anyone can request a private exit. And tonight, after multiple attempts, we're finally hearing from Mayor LaToya Cantrell's office.
We're not doing that.
Mayor LaToya Cantrell's team blocking reporters from asking her questions related to Tyrell Morris, the former 911 director she appointed that has now been indicted by a grand jury.
Should have a statement in about 30 minutes.
Those 30 minutes, her team promised reporters, turned into hours until the city released the following statement at 8:48 Friday night, saying the OPCD is governed by its own board, and that board hired Morris. The board her office references in the statement is made up of almost all Cantrell staff members.
I don't understand how she thought he should have been appointed in the first place, much less why she stood behind him once the transgressions had been made public.
Friday, Morris turned himself in and was released on a $10,000 bond. According to Orleans Parish Communications District Board member Brobson Lutz, Morris's indictment reflects poorly on both the Communications District and the mayor.
He would not have been in the position he was in if it not had been for Mayor Cantrell.
A spokesperson with the Orleans Parish Sheriff's Office tells WDSU once Morris was released, they allowed him to leave through a door away from the public, avoiding reporters.
As to whether there was sufficient information or whether there was enough severity for the grand jury to indict. And obviously the grand jury came back and decided to indict on all counts.
The allegations against Morris are related to an accident he was involved in while driving his government-issued SUV and his actions following it. According to the DA's office, those actions include modifying documents, pretending to be a police officer, and filing a false insurance claim.
The allegations against Mr. Morris have always been incredibly concerning: malfeasance in office, injuring public records. All of those are very serious allegations.
Now, court records show Morris must turn over his passport within 48 hours of being released, and no court date has been set officially. Reporting live in New Orleans, Jonah Gilmore, WDSU News.